Hey, I'm James Nicholson, and if you're watching this video, then you're wondering what's the importance of creating a customer avatar or a customer persona? Well, that's a great question, and I've been in business now 16 years, and over those years, I've mentored thousands of business owners just like you to create ultimate winning marketing campaigns. And one thing that I notice initially when I work with a customer is they will work with anybody. Right? Anybody that has got a pulse or a checkbook, they'll be working with them. And that's because they don't have a customer avatar crafted. They don't really know who is the perfect person that they want to work with. And so what I want you guys to do right now is just take a moment and step back and reflect on who is the ideal customer in my business. Who is my customer avatar? Now, this is why that's important. One, you want to work with people that will pay you what you're worth. That's really important in business. You want to work with people that don't haggle on your price, that people that pay you on time, that value you as an entrepreneur. They value your product and service. If you think about the last 10 customers you had in business, I can assure you one thing. Not all of those customers were equal. In fact, 2 of those customers, normally out of 10, were a dream to work with. They just signed up quickly, they bought your product or service without any hassle, and they just got on with things. Whereas some of those customers were difficult. They just kept asking questions, they had such high expectations, and they were very difficult to work with. And often those are the ones that ask for a discount and are really frustrating to work with. Now, I want to flip that round and focus on getting more of those 20% that are a dream to work with. And we can't do that until we figure out what was similar about those 2 people. And so what we do is we create a customer avatar checklist. And I've created that for you. And in the description of this video is a link to a free YouTube video you can watch all the questions that you need to ask to find your perfect customer avatar. Not only that, it also has a workbook that you can download for free as well. So go and click on that if you're ready. Now, the reason this is important is when you're marketing, you actually want to repel some people. You want to make it very clear on who you serve. Who are the people that should be buying your product or service? Who are the people that should be working with you and making inquiries? By doing that, you will repel other people. And that is essential because I want to get you a bank of leads of your ideal customer. Leads are great, but I don't want to get you a load of leads that are cheap people, that don't pay, that haggle on price, that argue with you all the time. I want to get you the quality leads. And until we've done this exercise on the avatar, you're not going to get the quality that you deserve in your business. Now, another thing is that you will significantly reduce your marketing spend because you're marketing to a smaller pool of people. And so that's going to be cheaper on Google, on Facebook, on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, wherever it is you market, even if it's a newspaper or magazine, it's going to be significantly cheaper when we only target our ideal customer, our customer avatar. And so that's very important because that's going to reduce our advertising spend, which is going to increase our profits in our business. And we're going to be attracting the people that will pay you more for your product or service, which will again increase your profits in your business. This is a win-win-win-win-win all round, guys. So what I want you to do is, rather than watching this video, this was just to cover the importance of a customer avatar. Go and actually click on the link below and watch the training. Look at all the questions that you fill in and get the workbook and fill in this avatar stuff. We know the importance now. Let's go and actually craft our avatar. So click on the link below and do that. And while you're here, if you didn't introduce yourself already, tell me who you are in the comments. Smash the like button. Subscribe to this channel. I've got so much content on avatars and personas. This is the place for you guys to be. I hope you found this useful. I've been James Nicholson. I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.